Happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna wait until this fucking redneck truck goes by. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you and all of your loved ones. Do any of you know what this is? Right? It's a television. I actually used to watch this thing when I was a kid. It's black and white only. The television was invented by Philo Farnsworth. He lived from 1906 to 1971, and he was from Fort Wayne, Indiana. See? Did you learn something right there? If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have this idiot box to sit there and watch day after day after day after day. And God, is it not a glorious, glorious invention? Okay. Ooh, that sucker's heavy. Another pioneer. We'll get to that in a bit. Nothing goes better when we're traditionally with Thanksgiving than a bourbon and Coke. If I can get it open. Coca-Cola was invented by John Pemberton. And he was a doctor or a chemist, I can't remember. Anyways, it had real cocaine in it. How fun would that be to get your hands on? Pemberton lived from 1831 to 1888. Look at all that deliciousness. Oh, just remember, it's the holidays, no drinking and driving, especially with Uber around. To you, John Pemberton. And to all of you, cheers. Oh, God, that tastes so good. The day I've had has been absolutely brutal. But I'm not going to let it get me down, because today I'm going to do an unboxing. I initially went and bought one of these, and it was smaller. And I got home, and when I opened it, I could not get over how tiny it actually was. So, I went back down to Target, I returned the other one, and I got this one. Ooh! It weighs less than that other one I just picked up off the floor. Or not off. So let's see here. We're going to do another unboxing. I wasn't even going to do... Oh my God. That would have made my day so bad spilling this shit on the floor. It made it great for the video though. I know you guys would have loved that. I've had an absolutely brutal day, so thank you for hanging out with me. But these TVs are incredible with how light and sharp they are. This one is a 1080p as well, I believe. I probably should have had 3 of those before I started. Alright, here we go. Some people complained that this took too long to get to, so we're just going to zip right through it. We got a remote control. Whatever that is. Come on, baby. Oh, man. Leg stand. Leg stand. I know I'm just going to rip this thing right into my drink. Oh my God. Dry cleaner was closed the other day, so my suit stinks. All right, baby. Come on. Who invented styrofoam? That's next. Here's to you, John, and here's to you, Philo. God, he would be amazed at what he invented all those years ago, what they look like today. There's that. Got some little gimmicky thing on the back that I've never seen before. All right, encased in plastic. So we'll just end up in some landfill somewhere. Oh, God. Bourbon definitely makes the holidays tolerable. All right, let's go. Never opened one of these entirely sitting down. Wow. And look at that. You could almost slide it under a door. Got plenty of styrofoam here. It'll also end up in the ocean. So let's look at this. Ooh! $1970s. 2021. I guess there are all the little HDMIs. Wow, they still have the old standard def audio, video, left and right. I think that's it. I don't know how good this one was. I don't know if you want to keep hanging out. Definitely gonna have to do some jump cuts in this one. This was god awful. But I just wanted to get it done because I'm gonna set this one up into my Xbox. So, there you have it. I think maybe I should turn it on, but I'm not going to do that. Y'all kiss my ass. Have a great holidays.